On tonight's adventure,
Yay! Yay!
Jordan and I are carrying the R34 in the back. It's non-functional. And we're also carrying pieces. What are we carrying?
Body parts!
And he's asking, should we take the highway or should we take the low way? I'm not taking any chances. I'm a chicken shit and I'll admit to it. Expensive pieces, nice car. Take your time. Take the time that it takes. You agree with that?
No!
F me and call me Sally. Anyways, later we will update.
10 seconds later.
La 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 la.
Stupidity has been made. Oh God.
Yes, son! Yay!
So if he's God and I'm his son, I'm God too. Therefore I am my own son.
You're El Niño Jesus.
Stupidity has been brought, and somebody's eating it at the table. Right?
Yeah! Faut que je regarde la route.
Look at the fucking road!
3:28 a.m.
The car's so far away. We have to move it all the way to the garage. Oh, good God. Every kilo out of that freaking car is 1 kilo less that we have to push it back in. And I'm sure that Jordan right now just wants me to help him to move stuff out of the car, but I'm just here holding the camera and recording.
A few inches later.
It's currently 9 p.m. Car's in the garage. So are the pieces. I think we'll survive. Now we're off to the shop. We'll see you later.
Much later.
On the road again. We are now in the middle of butt-fuck nowhere.
Almonte!
Almonte, yes. Is that near Iran or next to Abu
Vraiment
Dhabi?
agressif, tu veux que je le prenne le virage là?
Un peu. Ou pas du tout.
Trop tard, on est parti sur beaucoup là.
Do not be crazy. We have a trailer.
Il est vide le trailer.
I know there's nothing on it, but it doesn't mean you need to be crazy.
It's fine.
There are people around us.
Ah, c'est pas grave ça. C'est juste des gens.
On today's show, we have pizza from America. From like 3 days ago. Like
4.
4 days ago. What is wrong with you people?
Ah, dans 4 jours, ça va être 5.
Oh, good God. Please help me.
1 eternity later.
We are stalking places for food. It is very late or early, depending on how you think about the whole situation. Let's bang on the windows. Let's break in and steal food. Or we could just pay for it.
The following Thursday.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.